Hi guys, I am playing Roblox. It's Jamara here, and today I will be playing Murder Mystery. That used to be my favorite game. I haven't played it in a while, so yeah, I'm gonna play it right now. I have really good memories of this game. We're starting. Let's see who is the murderer. Or maybe I'm innocent. Yep, I'm innocent. So let's go find a hiding spot right now. I really like this room because I always poke my head out of here, but that's not a very good hiding spot for me. Oh wow. Sorry guys, let me pause for a sec, or they're gonna knock me out of the world. So, yeah, I should probably pause. Oh no. Am I not dead? I'm not dead, yes, guys. You might have to, oh, never mind, I'm out. Oh, by the way, guys, if you're wondering how I have voice, this is my new laptop I had for Christmas, and I did not know I could do the voice on this laptop, right here. So, yeah, I'm kind of, hello, darkness, my old friend, I did not know she would come out of absolutely nowhere. Oh, yeah, guys, this is my character for now. Last time it probably looked like she was wearing this top here, but she had different hair. Yeah, I kind of wanted to change because I looked kind of like a noob, and you know how much people call me noobs, and well, I never told you people call me noobs before, but yeah. Who won? Nobody yet. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna pause the video for a sec. The hero absolutely won. He was really good. Good from you. Oh yeah, guys, I'm back from that pause. I was just telling my sister to be a tiny quiet. That's all. Oh, by the way, why is this Santa wearing sunglasses? It's not summer. Oh, by the way, I love the snowman. So adorable. This game just brings back so many memories. I haven't been playing it for a very long time, really. Oh, it's starting again. Oh, it's this map. Innocent. Oh yeah, guys, if you're wondering, I'm always innocent. That's why I always say innocent. I kind of really don't like it, but at the same time I do, so then I don't have to have hard work done. So, yeah, I probably should appreciate it, but at the same time I don't because I'm always innocent, you know. I just heard somebody die, so I'm gonna go in the TV. Oh yeah, guys, if you don't know this hiding spot, then you should probably get in here. If you're playing with me, get in here. Because it is a real hard mess. Was that the murder? Ah! Oh. Sorry if that hurt your ears. Guys, I just hear the shit. Oh! Who won? Who won? Yes, the hero, once again. Oh, and green wrapping paper? Cool. Let's go pick a map. I'm pretty sure I'm allowed. Ooh, a new map. I might really want to play this. Oh, that map's winning right there. This one won, so I guess we're gonna do that now. And I guess I'm gonna be once again an innocent, so yeah. Oh guys, if you're wondering why my videos are small and I don't talk in them, it's because I told you earlier, haven't I? I just can't stop saying stuff. And yeah, who am I again? Guys, if you read who I am, say it in the comments down below. I might know in a sec. Oh, I'm Minu. Oh, she's trying to get in that vent. Whoa! I did not know I could get in there. If I'm a murderer, I'd probably lose anyway because I'm a very bad player. I'm stuck. Yes, I'm a very bad player at this sometimes, and I don't like that. So, yeah. I can't jump back up, can I? I can. Did I just see a knife or... No, I didn't see a knife. That is awkward. An office with a... Sometimes I'm scared of this game because people just come out with a knife out of nowhere and stab me. Not as easy. Ah! Uh-oh. Guys, I might as well pause this just in case it takes a long time. And hang on. There, I'll pause it in a sec. 3, 2, 1. Be right back, guys. Since it's taken a while, I might just go to the shop and see if I could buy a crate. 33. Let's see what I can buy. Let's see what I can buy. Feature. I don't have enough for anything just yet. What's this? Oh. Guys, it looks like people are being killed. Slash, the murderer might have won. Or, sheriff. Murderer this time. Wow. Oh, and I was wondering like this one since I just saw. Wait. That looks a bit like me. But it's Emma. I'm okay with it. Guys, I should have just spectated and see if they won or got killed, but that's a tiny bit boring. I don't like doing that. Oh, it's loading the map in 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. No, it said this in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Yes! I am a sheriff! Okay. I'm bad at this, guys, so I wouldn't recommend... If you're a murderer, please don't kill me. I'm very bad. If anybody comes at me with a knife, I am going to shoot them. Easy. I hear the knife. Guys, there's that murderer. Guys, if you're wondering, I'm being kind of a noob right now. It's because, I'm really used to using PC like I had last time. My mother had, and I don't have it now. So. There's that dumb old murder. Murder. Oh yeah, guys, I just watched It's Funny. Oh, someone's died. I bought the ship. This guy. Was it that guy? No. Oops. Sorry. Sorry, mate. Hey, keep it down. Oh, sorry, Alf. Oh, that's okay. We are just making some swords. Wait, isn't that inappropriate? No, it's for this game, really. Oh, okay. Okay. You must not talk right now. The murderer's on the loose. Spectate. But I don't like spectate. Fine. Oh. Ha! Please don't laugh. Sorry. Yes! Someone grab my gun! Go! 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 I might not just have enough coin right now. I keep on not collecting toys. Why am I Lima? My name is Lima, and his name's Hotel. My real name is Mice Girl. Mice Girl. 1, 2. I don't know why I spelled girl. Look, you can see it up there. Hang on. Oh. Never mind, guys. Starting. I'm innocent. Great. Might just fit in this tiny gap. Oh, yay. Oh, no. I'm gonna... I You're the murderer. I'm gonna run. I might collect coins this time, guys. So then I get enough money for a crate. Maybe buy a crate just one. Ah! I keep on screaming. Oh, that's the hair I had last time on my character now. He's a crazy murderer, I guess. Oh yeah, guys, it's almost time to end this video. So, yeah, be right back. Guys, it is time to end the video. Oh, and this is my new main character. Tell me in the comments if you like it. Well, the comments down below. And please subscribe. Bye!